Ladies and gentlemen, right here we receive our advanced delegation coming from Jonglei State, and of course for the reception of Governor of Jonglei State, Dr. Riek is coming home, and of course we just want to let you know that the things is going to be all right. We are here for field away coach, away take a man. So this is the biggest initiative. We can hear the controller chairman, which Chakwai, which Chagwa, we take a man, away coach, we take a man. So again, advance team and of course we are here to let you know that way Chakwai, way Showman, way Chagwa, and of course we are waiting for Governor of Jonglei State, Dr. Riek. And of course you all know that guy take a man, away coach, away take a man. These are our two slogans. Away coach, away take a man. These are our slogans.